Hey there, this is Lee of Lee Launches back with another video, and in this video I want to talk about how to start selling on Fiverr, or in other words what I would do if I was starting from scratch selling on Fiverr today. A bit of background about me: so I've been freelancing online since 2012. I was selling on Fiverr in 2012 and I am a top rated seller on Fiverr. I'm also a pro seller on Fiverr and I continue to offer freelance services on there. And because I'm a top rated seller on Fiverr, I often get questions from other sellers on the platform asking me to give them tips on how to improve their sales and on how to improve their gigs and on how to improve their profile. And I have actually created a course on how to freelance online, which includes how to freelance on Fiverr. I'll put a link in the description to that. But in this video, I want to talk about what I would do if I was starting from scratch, because obviously things are very different from when I started in 2012. There's different demand for different things. And so this video is really about what gigs I would sell if I was starting from scratch, what I would look to do. One of the sellers who recently contacted me and messaged me and asked me for tips on how to improve their sales was selling WordPress sites. If you think about something like WordPress, it's something that's been around for a long time, and it's something that many people are already on the platform offering services. In fact, if you go to this page and you type in WordPress customization, you can see there's 8,791 services available. So when I started on Fiverr, I started selling explainer video services. When I started, there was hardly any other sellers selling explainer videos, and so it wasn't a competitive area, and I was able to quickly get orders and improve my ranking and get reviews. So I want to give you a couple of ideas of what gigs to sell now in 2020 and beyond. So something that is very popular at the moment is no-code development, no-code web development and application development. And you have applications like Webflow, Bubble and Airtable, and you can already see by putting Webflow into the search without putting anything else, there's only 310 services available for Webflow on Fiverr, which means already you would have an advantage over anyone else. This is an area that is in high demand and only has 310 services. Another thing to look for is Airtable. Airtable is very important for no-code development. So if you know Airtable, I recommend you start selling Airtable services. Another area that is currently in high demand is Bubble apps. Again, if you look here, you will see that there's only 88 services available. Another area that I've seen is in high demand at the moment, I've noticed a number of YouTubers using this, is Etsy ranking. If you know anything about Etsy or Etsy SEO, this is a gig you could offer, because again, if you put Etsy ranking into Fiverr, you'll see that there's only 40 services available. So again, you would have an advantage over anyone else selling on Fiverr. So that's it for my main tips on how to get started selling on Fiverr from scratch if you are starting now. I'm also putting together a PDF of 10 things to improve your sales and get started on Fiverr, get started selling on Fiverr. I'll put a link in the description. If you click that, you can get access to that PDF completely for free. Let me know if you found this video useful. I'm also making other videos like this about launching products online, about working online, about freelancing online. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and click the bell notification so you get notified every time I release a video like this. And until next time, I'll see you in a future video. Cheers.